I keep my eyes open for things I haven't yet experienced in life that I think would be exciting and life enriching. And if I find something like that, I add it to my list of things to do in my life because I don't want to miss out on all the excitement and good things that life has to offer. I don't want to just have never gone parasailing or never gone surfing. Like, I want to do everything that sounds super fun. And surfing, by the way, is definitely on my bucket list, and I have not done it. Well, yeah, it is inspiring because you look around and you find things that you think would be fun and it gives you something to look forward to. And that just helps you in general to have more energy in life and more to live for. Unlike somebody who doesn't really want to do anything and doesn't really look for those types of things that they would want to do. And so they feel like they've already experienced life at a young age and they really don't have much to look forward to and they just kind of go through life half asleep. And that can also lead to depression. So I think it's important to always be on the lookout for cool things that you can try someday that will bring excitement and health and fresh air and stuff. A lot of my stuff is outdoors. Like I want to do zip lining, snowboarding. A lot of these I have done, but some I still want to do. Zip lining, snowboarding, fishing, kayak fishing, boat fishing, shore fishing, maybe spear fishing, like scuba diving fishing with a spear gun. That'd be kind of cool. Uh, I want to go scuba diving. I want to go surfing. I want to continue whitewater kayaking and whitewater rafting. Um, I want to go parasailing. Um, I want to go mountain biking. I want to do rock climbing. I already have all the gear for that. I've gone once so far. Um, Hiking, camping, pretty much everything outdoors. I don't know how excited I am about caving, but I would be willing to try it. So yeah, I think it's really good to have lists like that of cool stuff you can do. The opposite of what I normally do, mm, I don't know. Like I'm an inside kind of guy that likes to also do outside stuff, but the outside stuff is a little more rare. The inside guy part of me is all about efficiency and building businesses and making money from home, from the convenience of my own home, and just saving money and not driving around and stuff. But then there's the part of me that wants to still experience adventure and get out and do things for fun with family. A lot of it's a family element. I like to bring family. I like to get family involved, invite them, beg them to come. Whether it's my in-laws or my parents, my sister, I reach out to family to invite them on these adventures in order to build rich memories and strengthen relationships and give fun to others who I care about. And so, yeah, there's a family element to it.